Good morning, students. I hope so you all are doing well. So, I welcome all of you to your English class. So, today, children, the date is 6th of May 2021 and the day is Thursday. So, on Thursday, which book do we do? Yes, very good. So, today's topic is from My Canvas English Literature book, chapter number 2, The Kitten at Play. It is a beautiful poem that is written by William Wordsworth. So, for this, you have to turn to page number 10. So, all of you turn to page number 10 and get ready. Now, before we start with the poem, let me introduce you to the poet, the person who has written this poem. So, here you can see the picture of William Wordsworth. Yes, he is the poet of this beautiful poem. So, let's read about the poet. So, William Wordsworth, he was born in 1770 and he lived till 1850, and he is a famous English romantic poet. He was inspired by the beauty of nature and he wrote several poems about nature. He was the poet laureate of England from 1843 till his death. Okay, so he was one of the renowned poet in England. Okay, so now see here. Wow, there are so many kittens, right? So have you seen a kitten playing? Yes, so the kitten jumps from here to there, pounces and makes so many actions, right? When it is in a playful mood, and you have seen wagging, it's when it is very happy, it starts wagging its tail, right? Now let's see. So in today's class, we are going to read a poem about the kitten. Now let's get started with the poem. So you all have turned to page number 10. Yes. So let's start with the poem. Chapter number 2, The Kitten at Play, written by William Wordsworth. Now I will start reading the poem and you will also repeat it after me. Okay, children? Now the first stanza. See the kitten on the wall sporting with the leaves that fall. So you can see a kitten is playing by the side of the wall, and sporting means playing, and the kitten is playing with the leaves that are falling from the tree. Withered leaves 1, 2 and 3 falling from the lofty elder tree. So withered leaves means the leaves that have become dry and they have started falling. Now the kitten has started playing with the leaves, and how many leaves are falling? 1, 2 and 3, and they are falling from where? They are falling from lofty elder tree. Lofty means very big, huge, okay? And elder tree, it has become old. The tree has become old. Through the calm and frosty air of the morning, bright and fair. So the morning, here is the description of the morning. So how is the morning? The morning is very calm, peaceful and frosty air. Frosty air means cold air is blowing, okay? And it is very bright, sunny, yes, and fair. So the day is very bright and clear. So it is, and the kitten is enjoying itself with the leaves. It's playing with the leaves. Now come to the second paragraph. See the kittens, how she starts crouches, stretches, paws and darts. So the kitten is playing with the leaves. So how she is playing? Crouches means to kneel down, to bend and sit on your knees. Stretches means to straighten your body. Paws means the paws are the foot of the cat. Okay, they are soft. And darts means jump. Okay, they quickly jump from here to there with a tiger leap halfway on. Now she meets the coming prey. So how she jumps? She jumps like the tiger. Leaps means jump. With a tiger leap halfway, now she meets the coming prey. Now she is going to catch hold of something. So that is the kitten's prey. Okay. Let it go as fast and then has it in her power again. Now she is catching the leaves. Yes. Once the leaves are falling, she is jumping and she is catching the leaves. So you can see by the picture how she is jumping and catching the leaves. Now we have come to the last paragraph of the poem. So the last stanza or the third stanza is, now she works with 3 or 4 like an Indian conjurer. Conjurer means magician. Okay. Now she has started juggling the leaves and she has taken 3-4 leaves and she is juggling the leaves. So she is playing a trick as if like the Indian conjurer. Conjurer means magician. Quickly as he feats, quick as he in feats of art, gracefully she plays her part. So she is playing a trick and she is doing it very gracefully with lots of energy. Okay. Yet were gazing thousands there. What would little Tabby care? So many people are standing and are looking at the cat. But the cat is not at all paying attention at who is looking at them. And they are very busy with their own sport. Okay. What would little Tabby? Tabby means cat. Okay, so the cat is not paying any attention and it is busy doing its own work. So what did we learn in this poem? So this is the summary of the poem, about the poem. So in this poem we learned that a kitten is enjoying herself jumping on leaves that have fallen from the elder tree and she is playing with them. She jumps at the leaves like a tiger leaps at its prey. Then she begins to juggle 3 or 4 leaves like a magician. The kitten is delighting in her game and would not care if people are watching her. So the kitten is playing with all its heart. It is not paying any attention and it is continuing with its game. Okay. So I hope so you all enjoyed the poem. Yes, children. So that much for today's class. Thank you, children, for the class. All of you stay home and stay safe.